dead friend is heartbreaking. How about burying a one of a kind? A one of a kind that is my son, Atta, and 49 beloved brothers and sisters in one go. The day started beautifully. There is no match for Atta's wonderful smile to make a day. We have lost such wonderful characters. Brother Abdel Fattah Qasim, Brother Muhsin Al-Harbi, and Dr. Abdul Samad, and 48 more. But not forever, as we hope to meet them again in paradise and live in peace forever. No words can describe what my heart experienced at that time and still experiencing. It is only the remembrance of Allah that keeps me going. Since 15th of March 2019 and until now, my heart is yearning for restoration of justice to the victims of the heinous massacre and the call for the reinstatement of the death penalty for brutal conscienceless crimes. It is a fact that justice should be a balance, where the seriousness of the crime should be balanced by the consequences. I fear for the safety of all New Zealanders if the punishment for the brutal crimes is not in balance. To close, I pray to Allah to bless New Zealand and bless the New Zealand people.
I constantly try to imagine how my beloved Atta felt at the moment of the attack, how he faced the shooter with his chest armed only with his courage to protect others. What was in his mind when he realized he is departing this life to his last journey? How is life going to be without him being around? I can't forgive you. You gave yourself the authority to take the souls of 51 innocent people. Their only crime in your eyes is being Muslims. You injured 49 and shattered the dreams of so many innocent people. You wedded 32 wives and 2 husbands. You orphaned 51 children under 18 years old and 19 over 18 years old. You terrorized the whole New Zealand and saddened the whole world. You killed your own humanity, and I don't think the world will forgive you for your horrible crime against humanity.